In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Business Profile Setup 2026, step by step. A Google Business Profile is your business's free listing on Google, and it gives you control over how your company appears in Google Search and Google Maps. This is important because it helps local customers find you, learn your hours, read reviews, and understand what you offer before they ever visit your website or contact you. To get started, sign in to the Google account you want to use for managing your business profile. It's a good idea to use an account that you'll keep access to long term, especially if this profile will be important for your business operations. Once you're signed in, go to Google Business Profile and click Manage Now. From there, search for your business name to check whether a listing already exists. If your business appears in the search results, select it and click Claim This Business. This usually means Google already has some information about your company, and you'll just need to take ownership of the listing. If your business does not appear, choose Add Your Business to Google to create a brand new profile from scratch. Next, begin filling in the key details for your business. Start with your business name and make sure you use the exact legal or real-world name customers know you by. Then choose your category. This part matters because it helps Google understand what your business does, so be as specific as possible. For example, choose a category like plumber or bakery rather than something too broad. After that, enter your location and service area. If customers visit you at a physical location, add your street address. If you go out to customers instead, such as a service-based business, list the cities or regions you serve. In that case, you can also keep a home address hidden if needed. Then add your contact details, including your business phone number and website, so people have clear ways to reach you. Once your details are entered, the next step is verification. Google needs to confirm that your business is legitimate before your profile can be fully managed. Depending on what options Google offers you, verification may happen by phone, email, postcard, or a short video showing your business location, signage, or equipment. Follow the method provided carefully since verification is required to unlock the full profile. After your business is verified, take time to customize the page, add your operating hours, write a business description of up to 750 characters, and upload high-quality photos. This helps your profile look complete, trustworthy, and more appealing to potential customers. A well-finished profile can make a strong first impression and improve your visibility in local search results.